Hey guys, T-Rizz here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55. So this is a really basic digital camera by Kodak that includes 5x 5-time optical zoom, 28mm wide angle, 16 megapixels, 2.7 LCD screen, full HD video, and powered by a lithium-ion battery. So as you can see here, pretty basic box. The reason why I got this was because I'm going on a trip, and usually I take my X-T30, specifically the Fujifilm X-T30, but honestly I just wasn't in the mood to carry that thing around all the time. So sure, I could use an iPhone, but then I'm distracted usually from notifications, and honestly I just never really enjoyed the photo on phone experience in general. So figured it'd be good to have this in my pocket, whip it out, and I can get more shots and honestly not worry about having a heavier camera around my neck. So I actually got this for $130. It retails for $150. I got it on sale off Amazon, so let me just kind of rip the box there a little bit, but let's see what we got. So we have the user manual. And again, I got this for $130. It retails usually for $150, so it's pretty reasonable in terms of price. So we have USB power brick, USB to USB. So this is not USB-C. Got the battery right here. A small battery. No bloating, that's good. And let's see, we also have a wrist strap, so I can hang the camera off my wrist. Let me just try to put all this in frame for you all. And last but not least is the camera. So, I can't believe I'm buying a Kodak, honestly, for those who are a little older. Back in the day, it was usually Sony Cybershot with these things, but no one really makes them anymore. So here we go. Ooh, nice buttons. Nice buttons indeed. Yeah, that's nice. Tripod. That's really nice. All right, cool. Well, then again, there we go. Actually, rather, this is the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55. I'm gonna power it up and let's see how it goes. All right, thanks all for tuning in.